Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to learn a trick to memorize the purines and the pyrimidines. Purines have the word pure in them. Hence, purines are in the pure form and hence they have two rings or are double ringed structures. On the other hand, pyrimidines are processed forms. Hence, they have only one ring. Purines have two rings, but when you process them, you will remove all the unnecessary matter and have only one ring, which is a pyrimidine. Now that we've learnt a trick to know how many rings a purine and a pyrimidine has, let's learn a trick to memorize the examples of purines and pyrimidines. For this, we'll take the help of the Shargaff's rule, which states that number of purines equals number of pyrimidines. And if you remember the statement, it states that adenine equals thymine, guanine equals cytosine. We have adenine which comes first in adenine equals thymine. We have guanine which comes first in guanine equals cytosine. Hence adenine and guanine which come first are the pure forms and hence adenine and guanine are our purines, whereas thymine and cytosine which comes second in these two statements are single ring structures or pyrimidines. So I hope this trick was helpful in memorizing the number of rings that a purine and a pyrimidine has, as well as the examples of purines and pyrimidines. That's all we have for today. Thank you.